Hello, Ma'am Tintin. Good evening.
Good evening,
Yun.
Sir Jason.
Good evening kasi gabi.
Scientastic students. Yun, na-miss ko yun.
At syempre, ma'am, dahil love na love natin ang mga scientastic students,
Yes.
kailangan natin magbigay ng another examples, ma'am, kung paano nila isusolve ang mga solving sa ating lesson 7 and lesson 10 or module 7 and module 10.
Oo,
Bakit?
bali, ano na
Kasi
lang to,
part
no?
yan ng ating examination.
Support na lang tong video na to.
Support na
no?
lang yan. And take note mga anak, ito ay buhos biyaya dahil lalabas at lalabas ang mga ito sa ating examination.
O, hindi namin sinasabi na ito mismo, ha?
O hindi yan mismo
Katulad lang.
Katulad ng mga
Siyempre,
ganyan.
papalitan naman namin yung mga numbers.
Oo.
Ayan. Baka mamaya isipin nila yun na yun.
Ma'am Tintin, gusto kong basahin mo ang problem number 1 pero hindi na nila nakikita.
Nakikita nila,
Sige.
sure. So, under Boyle's law, a sample of gas occupies 420 ml under a pressure of 1.200 standard atmosphere.
Anong basa dito?
Standard
Standard
atmosphere.
atmosphere, yes.
If the temperature is held constant, what volume will the sample occupy under a pressure of 3.255 standard atmosphere? Idol ka sa March.
Oo, ang galing-galing mo namang magbasa. Take note, scientific students, that the original formula under Boyle's law is equal to P1 times V1 is equal to P2 V2. Ano ba si P? Si P ay pressure while V is our volume. Okay? In every problem, mga anak, science man yan o mathematics, you have to analyze very carefully the problem before solving it. Tama ba ako, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, pag itong present sa formula, kailangan din nating hanapin ang P1, ang P2, ang V1, at V2 sa ating problem. Isn't it, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
Definitely, kapag pressure yan ang tinatawag nating standard atmosphere. Kanina, ma'am, itong ATM ay binasa mo as standard atmosphere. My first question is, anong mas mababa? Si 1.200 or si 3.255 ATM?
Si 1.200.
Since mas mababa yon, ilalagay natin siya as pressure 1.
One.
Nakakasunod, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
1.200 ATM. Okay? Since mas mataas yan, gagawin natin siyang P2 which is 3.255 ATM. Nakakasunod, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
Since ang kasama po ni 1.200 ATM is 420 ml, we will consider, okay, or we will put 420 ml as our
Velocity
V1.
1.
Okay, velocity 1
volume
or
pala,
volume
volume
1. Yes. This is 420 milliliter. Tama ba ako, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
And since V2, meron ka pa bang nakikita milliliter dyan?
Wala na. Yan ang
po yung
hahanapin
missing
natin.
at yan po ang hahanapin. Sir Jason, paano natin hahanapin si V2?
Favorite ko yun.
Eh, ang formula lang na binigay mo is P1V1 is equal to P2V2. Anong gagawin natin dyan, Ma'am Tintin?
Okay, gagamitan natin siya ng derivation. Magde-derive tayo.
So, let's derive the formula, mga anak ko. Paano mag-derive? Ipapakita ko lang muna, mga anak, kung paano mag-derive.
Oo, para
Okay lang
pagdating
to?
ng exam, hindi, marami
Ayaw niya.
tayong
Sige,
extra.
i-post mo muna. Ma'am Tintin, ipapakita natin kung paano mag-derive. Our original formula is P1, V1 is equal to P2 all over I times V2. Anong kailangan natin, ma'am?
V2.
V2 lang ang kailangan natin. Ibig sabihin, iiwan natin si V2 dito. Let's divide both sides by
P2.
P2. P2. Naiwan si V2, ibig sabihin, V2 now is equal to P1 times V1 all over P2. Okay? So, ito po ang ating formula na gagamitin. At yan po ay isinulat na natin
Tada!
kanina. Okay? Naget, ma'am?
Yes.
My question is, paano naman, Sir Jason, kung ang hanapin natin ay P1? Okay?
Same process.
Same process, mga anak. Kung P1 ang hanapin, write the original formula, P1, V1, P2, V2. Let's divide both sides by V1. Kasi nga, ang hanapin natin ay
Si
P1.
P1.
Therefore, pressure 1 is equal to P2 times V2 all over V1. Nakakasunod, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
Since V2 ang kailangan natin, yan
Yan ang
lamang po
formula.
ang ating kailangan. Following the formula, let's substitute. V2 is equal to, what is our P1, Ma'am Tintin?
P1 is 1.200
1.200 ano yung ATM?
Standard atmosphere.
Standard atmosphere. Multiply it by V1, but V1 is 120
milliliter.
milliliter. Okay? All over. Okay, what is our P2? P2 is 3.255. Wala?
Standard.
355 is standard
atmosphere.
atmosphere. Take note, Ma'am Tintin, ATM divided by ATM, cancelled
Cancelled
na
out.
yan. Okay? Using our calculator, mga anak, kawawa naman kami, wala
Let's
kami calculator.
substitute.
Let's compute. 1.200 times 420 ml is equal to 504
Isa-isahin natin.
ml divided by 3.255. So, i-divide natin yan kay 3.255. The correct answer now is 154.838. Okay, ang standard, ma'am, is 2 digits right after the decimal point. So, gagawin natin yan, 154.84. Bakit 84? Kasi lumagpas na po sa 5 si 8. Okay, again mga anak, kung walang sinabi yung problem, ang standard po is 2 digits right after the decimal point. Ma'am Tintin, may problema pa ba tayo sa Boyle's Law?
Wala na, ang
Wala
linaw-linaw.
na, linaw-linaw. Let's move on to Charles' Law, Ma'am Tintin.
Yan.
Will you please read?
A sample of a gas has a volume of 115.3 ml at 19 degrees Celsius. What volume will the sample occupy at 8.75 degrees Celsius when the pressure is held constant?
Meron pa take note, ma'am. Take note that for Charles' Law, degrees Celsius should be converted into Kelvin. Paano yun, ma'am? The given Celsius, degree
Yung given na
Celsius,
Celsius,
magpa-plus lang tayo ng 273.
Yes.
And our original formula, ma'am, in finding our Charles' Law is this. V1 divided by T1 is equal to V2 all over T2. Wherein V here is our volume, while T is our temperature. Okay? So, since yan naman kailangan natin, definitely kakailanganin natin yan ng V1 or volume 1. Kakailanganin natin ng volume 2. Kakailanganin natin ng temperature 1. At kakailanganin natin ng temperature 2. Okay? Alam natin na si 19 degrees temperature yan, hindi.
Temperature.
Sino mas mababa? 19 or si 8.75?
Si 19.
Mas mababa, Ma'am Tintin.
Ay,
Mas
si
mababa sa
8.75.
8.75. Therefore, sa 8.75 ang gagawin nating T1. So, this is 8.75 degree Celsius, while T2 is our 19 wala.
Wala.
Degree
19 degrees Celsius.
Celsius. Okay? Take note. Sabi niya, kapag ang si degree Celsius daw should be converted into Kelvin. How? Magpa-plus 273 lang tayo.
73.
Plus 273. Kaya that is equal to, magiging Kelvin siya, ma'am. Using our calculator, 273 plus 8.75 is equal to, magiging 281.75 K. Ito na po yun. Okay, while 19 plus 273, this is equal to 292 K. Now, Ma'am Tintin, yung temperature na 115.3 ml, saan siya? Volume 1 or volume 2?
Volume 1.
Volume 2.
Ay.
Kasi kasama siya ni temperature 2. So, ibig sabihin,
okay.
siya ay volume 2. Take note that 19 degree here is our T2.
Yun.
Therefore, ang
Yung
kasama niya ay
is V2.
volume 2 rin. So,
Okay.
magiging 115.3 ml. Nakakasunod, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
Now, ang nawawala ngayon ay ang
V1.
V1. Question, Sir Jason, paano po yung formula natin in finding V1? Wala ka naman pong binigay. Okay? I-derive natin ang formula, mga anak ko. And to derive that one, fraction versus fraction, magkukross, multiply tayo. Nakakasunod, Ma'am Tintin?
Yeah.
V1 times T2 is equal to what?
V1, T2. Pagsamahin lang.
T2,
T sub
pagsamahan lang. T1 times V2 will become
T1, V2.
T1, V2. Anong kailangan natin, Ma'am Tintin? Kailangan lang natin si V1. Let's divide both sides by
T2 para
T2.
maiwan si V1.
para maiwan si V1. Therefore, V1 now, grabe naman. Therefore, V1 now is equal to T1, V2 all over T2. Nakakasunod, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
Tingnan natin kung tama yung ating sinulat. Ay,
Yan.
V2 yung nandito. Pero hindi natin kailangan si V2. Tama? Ang kailangan natin is si
V1.
V1. And our formula in finding V1 is equal to T1, V2 all over T2. Nakakasunod, ma'am?
Yes.
Pero kapag V2 naman, itong ating
Gagamitin.
formula. But since V1 po ang nawawala sa problem, itong ating gagamitin. By substitution, V1 now is equal to, what is our T1, ma'am? T1 is
281.75
281.75
K.
Kelvin times our V2 is what?
115.3
115.3
ml.
ml. Okay? Divided by, what is our T2?
292 Kelvin.
Kelvin. Kelvin and Kelvin, mawawala yan. Tama, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
So, let's now solve. 200, hindi siya makita, 81.75 times 115.3 is equal to. Kapag hindi pa final, mga anak, isusulat muna lahat ng nasa calculator. This is 32,485.775 divided by
292.
292. This is ml. Okay? So, i-divide natin yan kay 292 equal to, what is the final answer, Ma'am Tintin? 111.252 ml.
Two
Since
decimal
2 yun, so 2 decimal lang, so 111.25.
Yeah.
Any problem, ma'am?
None.
Okay, close. 12 na siya. Let's now proceed on Gay-Lussac's law. Parang ako yan, yung gay. Okay, will you please read the question, ma'am? Read the problem.
A 13.5 liter container is filled with a gas to a pressure of 2.8 standard atmosphere at 1.9 degrees Celsius. At what temperature will the pressure inside the container be? 4.6 standard atmosphere.
Okay. Okay, ang note also, mga anak, that for Gay-Lussac's law, degree Celsius is again should be converted into Kelvin. Parang pareho lang siya kay
Ano yung Charles
law, kaya lang dito sa Gay-Lussac's, ma'am, ang hinahanap naman natin dito is temperature.
Yeah.
Kanina, di ba, volume? Ngayon naman dito, ma'am, is temperature. Okay? So, ang given dito is pressure and of course, temperature.
Yes.
Isn't it, ma'am?
Yes.
So, since ito ang formula natin, kakailangan natin ng pressure 1, pressure 2, temperature 1, and temperature 2. Okay? In our problem, ma'am, ano po ang given pressure 1?
Ang pressure 1 natin ay
Ibig sabihin itong liter dyan, ma'am, wala yan. Pangpagulo. Okay? Ang pressure 1 natin is what?
2.8.
Okay, dalawa kasi, 2.8 and 4.6. Since mas mababa si 2.8,
Yun ang
siya ang
one.
ating pressure 1. This is 2.8
ATM.
ATM. While P2 is equal to what?
4.6 ATM.
4.6 ATM. Ano po ang kasama ng ating 2.8?
1.9
1.9
degrees Celsius.
degree Celsius. Since itatranspose na natin siya,
Plus
273 is equal to, is equal to, dito na natin susulat, Ma'am Tintin, 1.9 plus 273,
274.9.
o sige, alam mo na, 274.
9.
Okay. So, ang T1 natin is 274.9 magiging Kelvin na siya. Nakakasunod, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
Then, T2, yun po ang ating hinahanap. What is our formula in finding T2, Ma'am Tintin?
Derive.
Okay, diderive
Cross
natin.
multiply.
Fraction versus fraction, cross multiply. P1 times T2 is equal to what?
P1 T2.
P1 T2 is equal to what?
T1
P1
P2.
P2. T1 P2. Since ang kailangan natin ay T2, let's divide both sides by
P1.
P1. P1. Tanggal yan. Naiwan ay T2 is equal to T1, P2 all over P1.
Yan.
Tingnan natin kung tama yung sinulat natin. Tama ba?
Yan.
Parang mali yung sinulat mo, Ma'am Pintin. P2
Tama,
is equal
magkabaliktad
to,
lang. Ay, ano to?
dapat P1 ito.
Yan, P1 yan dapat.
P1 yan. Okay, this is our formula. Okay? So, T2 now, mga anak, is equal to, anong P2 natin kanina, ma'am? Ang P2 natin ay 4.6. Tama, Ma'am Tin?
Yes.
4.6 ATM. Okay? Times. Okay, T1 natin is what? 274.9
Kelvin.
Kelvin. Divided by, what is our P2? Ay, our P1.
2.8.
Ay, P2 pala ito. So, P2 4.6 tama.
Tama.
So, this is 2.8
ATM.
ATM. So, tanggal po ang
Cancel.
ATM. Let's solve. 4.6 times 274.9 is equal to what? 1,264.54. Okay, divided by 2.8. Okay, this is Kelvin. Okay, so let's divide it by 2.8. The final answer is 451.62 Kelvin. Answer. And that's all about the computation of our lesson 7. Mga
Boyle's
anak,
Law,
Boyle's Law,
Charles' Law,
and
Gay
Gay-Lussac's Law. Okay? Kung may tanong pa mga anak, huwag mahihiyang magtanong.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Lahat yan ay kakayanin natin mga scientific students dahil lahat tayo ay hashtag
Scientastic!
Scientastic.